আপনি দেখছেন নিউজ নাও, আমরা জানি কোনটা খবর।
প্লাস্টিক বর্জ্য ও নোংরা আবর্জনা ছড়িয়ে থাকার অভিযোগ উঠেছে সিপাহীজলা চিড়িয়াখানার ভেতরে। মঙ্গলবার সকালে সংবাদ মাধ্যমের কাছে এই ক্ষোভ প্রকাশ করেন ইউরোপের দেশ হল্যান্ডের এক পর্যটক দম্পতি। হল্যান্ডের অবসরপ্রাপ্ত সরকারি কর্মচারী অ্যালেক্স ও তাঁর স্ত্রী জিনেট জানান, চিড়িয়াখানার প্রাকৃতিক পরিবেশ অত্যন্ত সুন্দর, শান্ত ও মনোরম হলেও প্লাস্টিক দূষণের কারণে নষ্ট হচ্ছে সৌন্দর্য। দ্রুত প্লাস্টিক আবর্জনা পরিষ্কার করে চিড়িয়াখানাকে পরিচ্ছন্ন রাখার জন্য সংশ্লিষ্ট কর্তৃপক্ষের দৃষ্টি আকর্ষণ করেন তারা।
Which country?
Holland.
Holland. Today is coming, this Sipahijola?
Yeah.
This nature is like you, this nature and Sipahijola Joe?
Yeah, we like it.
We like it.
And we like the monkeys in the forest here. And we like it's quiet, no music. So we like it. Only a little bit too much plastic.
Plastic
Yeah.
Plastic on the ground.
Yeah.
on the ground.
Yeah.
People should.
Not clean,
Clean it.
not clean.
Not
No,
clean.
it's not clean.
So which comments? This is ground here for plastic. Any message to Sipahijola Joe?
Oh, people should visit this area because it's nice and green. You can see monkeys and the air is good. But please don't waste the environment.
Keep it clean.
Keep it
Keep it
clean.
clean.
Put the plastic in the garbage bins.
Please kindly tell me what is your name?
My name is Alex and she is Janetta.
She's wife.
I'm the
Yes,
wife.
she's my
Yes,
wife.
yes.
We have the same ring.
What is your profession?
We both are retired.
Retired.
You're
Yeah.
tired, yeah.
Which
We
department?
are traveling around the world to watch monkeys.
Monkeys.
So we've seen 3 species of monkeys here in the forest. 2 species of langur and 1 species of macaque. The macaque is everywhere.
Why are you walking this road?
Because when you are on a motorbike, you will not see the monkeys because you must listen if the monkeys jump from one branch to another branch, and then it makes a lot of noise and then you can see it. And when you're on a motorbike,
You don't hear it.
you don't hear it.
You
You
like
see the macaque.
you
we
like
talked about this.
our country India?
Yeah, we like it.
Yeah, yeah.
But you are with a lot of Indian people.
It's big.
Big heart.
Yeah, but we like the food.
Food.
Yeah.
Indian food.
The Indian food. We like
yeah.
Indian food, really.
Which food most like you?
I like most thali, when you have
Thali.
a lot of small, different
Dishes.
dishes.
And we don't eat meat.
No, we don't eat meat.
Yes.
Vegetarian.
Vegetarian.
Yes.
Yes.
And
Yes.
especially in the north and west part of India, it's so nice that all the people are vegetarian over there. Here it's a bit less, I think. Here people
Do
eat
eat
more.
meat here?
Do eat more meat, especially in Rajasthan and things. It's
Thanks coming my country, my state and my Sipahijola Joe.
It's
You're
a
welcome.
It's a pleasure to be here.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.